1 Minute Mandarin Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Mandarin from the Radio Lingua Network.
We're here to teach you some Mandarin 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what this means?
对不起，我不明白。
It's I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about this phrase?
我会说一点儿普通话。
Hopefully you recognized 普通话 in there, the word for Mandarin. And the whole phrase?
我会说一点儿普通话。
means that you speak a little Mandarin, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Mandarin now. Today we're going to learn how to say, I'm learning Mandarin. You would say,
我在学普通话。
Now once again you've probably recognized the word for Mandarin in there. The phrase is quite difficult. Ling Ling, could you repeat the phrase more slowly, please?
是，我在学普通话。
Try it one more time.
我在学普通话。
If you were to say this to someone, you could add in the phrase,
很难。
this means it's quite difficult. Try saying that.
很难。
Try it again.
很难。
Now, try to put both phrases together, and Ling Ling will say this slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase.
我在学普通话。很难。
Listen again.
我在学普通话。很难。
And one more time.
我在学普通话。很难。 And that's the end of this lesson.
Hopefully, you're not finding Mandarin too difficult at all. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Mandarin with this podcast enjoyable. Thank you for listening, and come back next time to learn more Mandarin with the Radio Lingua Network.
谢谢，再见。
This is a production of the Radio Lingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.